Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be starting on Becky. Obviously you've seen that we have her in the air. Today's video, we're going to start taking out the seats, take out the back seat. We have a time lapse we're going to set up over here. It's not going to take very long, but we'll have it recorded for you anyways. So let's get started. Right here, I've got a couple of snap-on picks. You obviously don't have to have snap-on. It's something I chose to get. I have my snap-on 3/8 electric with the, what is this? It's the T50 Torx bit to take out these bolts here. I do have the battery still plugged in temporarily so I can move the seats back and forward on both sides. The back, I believe you fold the seat down and it pops out, and then there's a couple of release panels or something back there, but we'll get to that here in a few minutes.
You guys, we kind of jumped ahead on you. And, oh yeah, if we put something under it on the back side, it'll fit nice and flush. Yeah, that will look good. Anyways, we jumped ahead. We're pulling the interior out, working on seat belts right now for the rear. They're stuck, so Anthony's trying to get that one so we can try to figure out how to get this one out. But yeah, this is so far. Anthony holding it up with his head. Getting it in, working on it. Alright, you guys, so yesterday we had recorded on the GoPro and I went to go edit it last night. And it said my GoPro needed to be formatted, like it's reading all the other SD cards, but it will not read the SD card that I recorded with, which is really crappy because that's our 200 gigabyte SD card. So I'm sorry that this video is going to be real short, but I just wanted to give you an update on everything we did yesterday since I don't have that footage. So we started out, we got all the seats out, did a rear seat delete, got everything in the trunk out. They started putting in the roll cage, but Devin's going to have to drill some holes, it looks like. Sorry, I got distracted for a second, but they started getting the roll cage in, but Devin is going to have to drill some holes. But according to the instructions, it looks like there's already some little pre-dots, and that's what I was looking at. They're there, so he at least has some guidelines, so that'll be good. We are probably going to add on, this is a 4-point, but we're probably going to add on to it for sure. For the class that Devin's going to be in, he needs a better roll cage, but this was just a good base to start with. And it's from Watson Racing, if y'all were wondering. I'm not quite sure on the price for you guys, but I will link it below in case you're interested in that. But yeah, we got everything pretty much gutted. Hadn't gutted the center console out yet, but we'll get there. I don't know what kind of work they've done in here, but if anybody needs any stock Mustang parts, just let us know, and we'll try to hook you up on something, because a lot of this stuff we're not ever going to reuse. Like, we've got the, not the spare tire, but we've got the air pump that comes with it, never been used. There's a bunch of stuff, like if you need rear seat belts, center console he's going to reuse, but if there's something, let us know, and if we're not reusing it, we'll try to hook you up. Anyways, you guys, that's the progress we have for now. We're probably not going to be able to work on her till maybe, it probably won't be till Saturday night or Sunday, because Devin works 6 days this week. The only day that he will be getting home kind of early will be Thursday, and that's still going to be like 5 o'clock. So if we probably won't do but a couple of hours that day. If we do anything, it just depends how Devin's feeling. So anyways, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to get this build done. Our goal is to have it done by August 22nd. So we'll see how far we get.